Una good morning, how na day? Hey, my people. Una not mind wetin I put for face. I don't want me dry before I go wash am. I just say me I quick bring this message go. You see this okoko of 18 Esan and Benin. Many things where they hear. Oh. Hey, no be small thing. Oh. You get one video where one lady do for TikTok. Now TikTok, then all of them just dey. The woman say, I regret today under Benin. It can never be. Even another man self, we call him for one program. That one, the man come dey ask am say, what is the capital of Edo State? The man say, na Edo State. He said the capital of Edo State is Edo State. He not be small thing, no. He not greet us say na Benin. Wetin me dey talk about? Okay. Something come from palace. They say, may anybody know they wear am again. They no measure tribe. As far as say you they wear am, no they wear am again. No, which one be say it shall come carry am like say, not be all. Those one where use their brain say knack war. Where they come carry am, go, they can't carry am like say, I don't understand. Una don't forget when they talk say, I'm your beaver do. Una never hear am. Oba, I am your beaver. Sorry, my people. I am your beaver, do. If you see another man where they argue, he say no for Isha. Not can remember the place where he say for come. He said then get their Oba. You know be smart, you know. Hey, no, this social media, it good maybe say that they use and say they like highlight people. Maybe some people they know. They no want that is they no want taken. Hey, me I just talking like that. They no want taken. It don't tell me the year and say I'm your beaver do. He say no, say for Ishan place. I think na uru me abi I not come nowhere. He say for come me I not come lie. He talking for one video. He say the for Ishan they get their Oba. Okay, they say make they know they wear these beads. All this thing where they say they do, because that time for real when we they grow they come that time this okuku of 18 where be say then they chook something for inside all these things where be say then they chook now princess now then they do one. Okay, you get the one where they say they do, you know, say if you want to do burial isoton, you get the one where you pack, you know, if you want to do marriage, you get the one where you will see like they wear, because of say many people can't look like they can't they do one anyhow. Even goat self then go tie am. You understand? To the extent, Bobrisky where we don't know whether na man, whether na woman, it can't still put am for head. You know, all those things not good. We get our tradition dey. You know, say our Oba na Oba wey be say if they want gather everybody together. But no go they do pass yourself. You could call do pass yourself. No, now that one ain't no good. You know, tradition na tradition. No matter wetin, you know if it bend you know if it turn we get our tradition well. It's just that people can't do one too much. You can't like, no. You understand? You know, say when somebody give you, it's like when the breed law come out. When the breed law come out, everybody they use that. They feel still think, say, no, this law we want change am. We not feel beat them. We not feel beat them. Say, why not go do like this? No, na fair brigand. We get our own, we get this one. For the Ishan, so for the some of Ishan where they talk say they get their own. Nobody they tell una say me una no they do na. Me I no understand this quarrel. You get one thing where one lady talk that one God forbid bad thing may not be person way near me. God that beg. What they call himself? Whether na uro me daughter be something like that, I don't know. He say. The way where that one say it Benin people. If you know say you be Benin, you near that person. Run for your dear life. That one will give you something eat. It go buy you through away. Because some people, me I don't understand them. If somebody do you something, now that person now you go like face. No use that group everybody. No. Because according to her, you get wetin Benin person do am. But that person will do you. Not be everybody na do you. Some be need good well. Some of them not still good. Now some we still the talk say some Isha not good. And some still good. Now everywhere na e dey bad thing, everywhere bad thing dey. When you say this one dey good, the other ones are not still good. It's now I don't understand the way be say some people. Now the way their brain carry them go anyway. Me, I know they do that kind of thing. Say one person do something, I'll say now the everybody now so them be no. Why you go just general everybody, put everybody together and say now so them be? If you know, say you as a person, that lady wey be say then they call me daughter be I no know. Run for your dear life, oh, if it buy you, because wetin dem do am, the thing still dey inside im brain. So she now put am for any no Benin person at all. God forbid, but when I even dey listen to wetin she dey talk for there, I was like, so one person do you something, you use am take rob everybody. If your brother do you something, meaning all your brother na dem do you something. I no understand though. Some people that make me I no even dey do friend though. I no get friend. I no get because I no fit for wahala. I no know wetin dem do you when you come put am for my body. Because not be me be do you. Some people be like that. You not do anything because of say wetin another person do. You go come use am say like now you go come pay for the wetin dem do am. So this Esan and Benin something, we know say na social media na all this goes back. Hey, this one I go see the wear, I go see they do this one. If you know say you get 10 heads, go do one for Edo. Go Edo State where you go do one. Go do one for there. Then we you know say social media, everybody will talk finish enter house. Everybody on in camera. No, nobody fit control me. Go do one for where they for talk and say me una no dey do am again. Now I be the something. I know say it go still cool down. So most of una way they like they talk say Benin no get right to tell Esan wetin dem go do. They don't talk and they don't talk. Why soon woman camera na. It don't come for the palace. It don't come for the palace. Nobody get voice to say no. Now so we all do. It's just like when they pass law, where you be you where you come they tell say the law where they pass, they not go exist. Who be you? Now so it still be. So take it or leave it. The law don't pass. It don't pass. So that one where they do long time ago. That time. Then nobody say man not they wear that one. Sure na yeah, because they don't talk and say the one where be said make them not they wear. All those one where the princess they wear. Wear. If you just see small picking here mokuku your own, what do see me ya fefe ni aselo they put them for inside. You don't say if you give them small thing, why me to kele ni what do pe abo. Now so some of our people be. Now you know say it still be like say when you say they pass law, they'll say this law now 2 years now go take. You understand? After that 2 years, she be go expire. Now, maybe the time where be say this bid of 18 or cuckoo of 18, they just like, okay, give am to everybody. It still get where we will still stop am. And they still stop am. So, which one people come they shout put? The time where cuckoo, when they none of them wear, when this okuku never come, people not they do marriage. People not they do another okuku. You feel not, you carry tie your hair, or you take pack your hair. Not be the same okuku, not be the same fine go still fine. I know say that one fine well, but people no nya wi yekwe sane guiji na the me wa le hin we not be another thing na boropose that we dey before na boropose we know say normally they no dey go that side, you know, as they still live am for everybody before. And why give a kwe? It reach the one way you go cry. But if you like, you cry. Nobody see your eye. You see those of them where they talk say, Edo, we not care for Benin. Now Benin, take it or leave it. The capital of Edo State is Benin City. Take am or you not take am. You not concern anybody. You not be with do. Osaya we me o imagigo dem. You understand? Now God na do am. Na him arrange am like that. Not be you, not be me, not be another person. So all those people where they like they cry. If you not cry finish, mo na enter house. Nobody care. The law don't pass. It don't pass. They don't pass and they don't pass. You cannot do anything. Me cannot do anything. Life goes on. Okay. Una yeah. Now bye for now. May I go wash my face. Cry children. Edo oye, Bini oye.